German learners often confuse these two verbs, kennen and wissen. Both mean to know in English, but in German they are used in different situations. Today I will explain it very simply, and we'll do a quick, simply mini quiz together. So first, let's look at kennen. Use kennen when you know a person, a place or something familiar. So basically, things you are familiar with. For example, I know Maria. In German, ich kenne Maria. Another example, I know Munich. In German, ich kenne München. So here you mean you have been there before. You are familiar with it. So remember this simple idea. If you know a person or a place, you usually use kennen. Now let's look at wissen. So use wissen when you know information or a fact. So this is about knowledge in your head. For example, I know the answer. In German, ich weiß die Antwort. Another example, I know that he's coming tomorrow. Ich weiß, dass morgen kommt. So now let's do a quick quiz. Which one is correct? I know Munich. Is it A, ich weiß München? Or is it B, ich kenne München? The correct answer is ich kenne München. Because München is a place you are familiar with. So one more. I know the answer. Is it A, ich kenne die Antwort? Or is it B, ich weiß die Antwort? So the correct answer is ich weiß die Antwort. Because an answer is information. Here is the easiest way to remember this. If you know a person, place, or something familiar, use kennen. If you know information or a fact, use wissen. And now I'm curious. Write a sentence in the comments using kennen or wissen, and I will check if it's correct. And if you want more simple German tips like this, don't forget to subscribe for the next video. See you then. Bye.